Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram login problem. To know how to fix Instagram login problem, to know you should just go to settings. As you see, you will click here. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps is here, app settings like this. And when you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. Then here in this page you will go to click down here, force stop. When you will end, you will enter to storage. After all that, you will click clear cache, and here you will click clear data, and you can turn off your Wi-Fi as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.